During my trip to Washington and Oregon, I decided that I wanted to check off surfing in Oregon, so we drove to Seaside, where I was able to rent a board. I brought my own wetsuit, and this was the most gross surfing experience I have ever had. There were dead crabs and even a dead whale or maybe a shark on the beach. I'll show it later, blurred out of course. The water and air smelled terrible, more terrible than it normally does at the ocean. So we picked up a surfboard and roof racks, soft roof racks, and they said they recommended a 5mm wetsuit. $30 to rent the board and $7 for these soft top racks. The current was super strong, so I only ended up catching 2 waves and was pretty exhausted by the time I got out. So we decided to scrap it and head to Cannon Beach. After Cannon Beach, we headed back to Astoria, where we were staying, and grabbed some lunch. Then we checked into our hotel, which was more like an overpriced hostel. The room was super small. Then we went to historic downtown Astoria. I hadn't been here since I was a kid in the 90s. There is Fort Astoria or Fort George here, which was the first American settlement west of the Rockies, established in 1811. Lewis and Clark also stayed near here along the coast. It's a national park, so if you're in the area, check that out. For more surfing content, including warm and cold water surfing, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.